Hey everybody, I got some deer chili on the smoker. This is an award-winning recipe. You do the whole process on the smoker. We brown the meat, which I've already done, and it's time to add some ingredients. I've got some chopped up onions, kind of coarsely chopped. They're in the meat too, and the meat is brown and smoked, and I'm fixing to have to add some liquid to it because it's going to get dried out. So we're going to do that right now. It's hot. Chili seasoning. Getting a little bit warm up in there. I got all them other ingredients in there and kind of got 10 to it. It's getting pretty hot right now. I may have to cover it up and let it simmer. I may have to put a little more aluminum foil in there. That fire's just getting really hot on there. Kind of, as you can see, I had to kind of do a little jerry rigging here to make sure the fire got off the bottom of the pan. It was getting a little too hot, you know. Kind of got that aluminum foil to divert it. It's still real hot. Got a little simmer action going on. Everything ought to be good. Get that temperature up a little bit. Got it climbing up there about 250. It'll probably hit close to 300 degrees and it'll just be simmering up there. It's not smoking quite so much now. I may have to add a little more wood, a little more unburnt wood to get it back smoking. But the main thing right now is get that simmering action going on, getting everything cooking.